Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can assign ringtone to contact on your Motorola Razr 40. Do this, open the phone dialer first, then go for the contacts. If you don't have any, just quickly create it, and that's what I'm going to do right now. So select, click on the three dots in the right upper corner, click to set the ringtone, and here we can find few default ringtones, and you can also add your custom by tapping right here. Then you can click on the three lines in the right upper corner, go for the storage of your device, and if you download and upload any music files to, for example, the download folder or the music folder, just click right here, select, and pick it from the list. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.